welcome to another episode of Productions Goes Wild. Or as it really is, another episode of Gardener Gone Wild, but with productions. Now, while we're in the Parliament precinct, I thought I would do a little video of what is basically now the Parliament ashtray. And of course we do have the gardener that has gone wild, who is now having a rest after running around everywhere. Now, there are some very cool, interesting sculptures here, but it seems to be used as a bit of an ashtray for smokers to come and fill it full of smoke and fill it full of cigarette butts. Yuck, yuck, yuck. And there seems to be a whole lot of them, and actually it really stinks here. But this used to be the site of Broadcasting House, which was for the time a state of the arts recording studio. It was a huge building. It had a radio broadcasting station in it, and it was a world-class facility. The New Zealand Symphony Orchestra did their recording here, and also a few bands I knew, and even a punk band many years ago. It was absolutely fabulous using the studio. I was there when it was happening, and also years ago we used the radio broadcasting facilities here. Access Radio used it for a while, and I co-produced and co-hosted a black metal, death metal radio show called The Power Hour. That went for a few years, and it was brilliant facilities. So it was a real shame when Broadcasting House was demolished, and this is all that remains of the area. So it is just used for smokers and not a lot else, which is a real shame. They should have left Broadcasting House here, as they definitely do not have any facilities in New Zealand to match it, even now. So a big loss to New Zealand. And there's the gardener. He's going wild about the sculptures and hiding behind one. So seems a real shame, as they really haven't developed this into a much of anything, just a bit of grass, some sculptures, and very uneven ground, with a view of the giant Dalek and the old Parliament buildings. So that is it for this short interlude. I hope you enjoy watching all our videos on Gardener Gone Wild, and please remember to like and subscribe, and please drop us some nice comments, because that would be cool. But hope you are having a lovely day. This is turning out to be a lot nicer than what it was. So remember, eat plants, because animals are your friends. Okay, bye!
They came in the majestic waka. They armed themselves with sturdy wooden clubs. And then they went along and bashed up all the poor birdies. The end.